Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today you will need some star beads, pony beads, a few feet of string, scissors, a lighter, and then you're also going to need a whole bunch of little scrap pieces of string. So if you watched my last video, I told you I was working on a project that would involve your little leftover pieces of string. If you missed that video, I will add that to the description box. So to start this project, we're going to use the long piece of string. And we're going to make a ladder. So if you're familiar with the ladder, you can skip through this part. And our ladder is going to be 3 beads wide. And the pattern, you know what? I changed my mind. We're going to do red, clear, red. So that's going to be our pattern for each color. So we're going to hold these ends and let this go to the middle. The next color will be orange. So we're going to put an orange, clear orange. Take this string and cross through. You're going to hold your ends and then pull this down. The next color will be yellow. You're going to take this end and cross it. And then once you get this started, you can just grab the ends and pull both strings. Oops, our next color will be green. You're going to take this side and go through. Grab both ends and then pull. And this is what it looks like. Our next color is blue. Take the string, cross over, grab the ends and pull. We're going to add light blue. Cross through. Grab your ends and pull. We're going to add dark purple. Cross over, grab your ends, and pull down. Our next color is light purple. Our next color is hot pink. Our next color is light pink. Our next color is white. Our next color is black. And that completes all the colors that we're going to use. So what you're going to want to do, because this will be a little loose, you pull down to tighten it up. You're just putting your finger in and then pulling down. Now we're going to repeat this. So we started with red. You're just going to put on all these colors one more time, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I have 2 sets of the rainbow, and this is what it looks like. Now we're going to take one end and we're going to go across all 3 of these. You're going to pull that string and this one. You'll pull it tight and make a knot. And then you can cut this off. This is what it looks like. Now for the next step, you're going to take a clear bead and we're going to tie, we're going to make a knot here. You're going to want to do this 2 or 3 times. You can cut the small end off. And I use the lighter so the knot doesn't fray and it stays together. So we have our clear bead on. Now we're going to add a star and a clear. We're going to go through this red bead right here. We're going to repeat that. So clear, a red star, and clear. And what you're going to do at this point is tie, make a knot here at the end of the clear, just like we started. You'll make a few knots and then cut that off. And if you need to, you can move this clear bead around so the knot goes into the star so you don't see a knot sticking out. I mean, it doesn't matter. I just like to cover the knot if I can. Our next one, we're going to take a little piece of string and we're going to go through the clear bead. Oh, I forgot. We need to tie this bead on first. So we're going to tie clear just like we did with the red. Cut that off. We're going to add orange, clear, and then go through this clear. You're going to add a clear, a star, and a clear. Pull this tight and tie it. And see how the knot is over, see how the knot is over here? I like to move it to the middle. You don't have to do that. That's just how I like to do it. Now the next color is yellow. We're going to tie a clear on the end. We're going to add yellow and clear. This time we're going to go through this yellow. We're going to add a clear, a yellow, and a clear. Pull that tight and tie this. That's what it looks like so far. Now, if you noticed, we're going at an angle. We're going to do a zigzag all the way across. The next color is green. Tie this clear. We're going to add green and clear. So we went in this direction here. Now we need to go backwards. So you're going to go through the middle. Clear, green, clear. Tie this. Okay. I'm going to show you one more, and then I'll finish the rest of this off camera. Next color is blue. So the last one we went through this clear. Now we're going to go through this blue down here. We're going to add a clear, blue, clear. And this is what it looks like so far. So just follow this pattern. We're going back and forth all the way around the bracelet. See, we're right where we started with the red over here. So then the next one, you'll go through the clear. The next one, this purple. And then you'll go backwards to the middle and then over. You'll just keep doing that all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Hey guys, I forgot to mention that you can use this technique on any style cuff. It doesn't have to be a ladder. You could do it on an X-base or a peyote stitch or whatever. Any cuff that you have on hand, you could do this technique too. And also, you don't have to go in an angle. You could do them all in the middle. Like they could all go the same direction. I just wanted to do this, you know, to do something different. And you could also do this technique on a single. So this is what it looks like all finished. I really like this, and it's a fun way to use these little pieces of string you have left over from any project that you do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.